So today is the 26th of September.
I had to think.
Yeah, I had to think as well. 2024, and
Good morning, everyone. We're in Cala to Finestrat.
we are, and it's a lovely place. It's a lovely bay, and always gets quite busy down here. So we're going to have a look around. We haven't been here for quite a few months actually.
Now, I have to say though, we were quite jammy with the parking space, weren't we?
Yes, we were lucky with a car parking space, and today is not market day, so that makes it easier because market day, I believe, is Wednesday and Saturday.
Yes.
And it's a good market. So if you like markets, definitely come to this one because, as I say, it's a good one, and it's not only you get some great paintings and some prints and stuff like that as well. It's not only just the sort of no, it's really good. It's really different.
Yeah.
So, but the temperature today at the moment is 27, but we're forecast 31 today.
And it's just on 11:45.
Yeah, it's warm already. It's very warm already. So we're going to get on and show you some stuff, and I think we're going to have a drink as well.
Oh yeah, we've got stuff to drink.
Yeah, so I'll turn the camera around now. So we're facing the front now, the camera. This street here has got quite a lot of bars in it, and it's only just off the main roundabout, which is on the beach. So it's not too far away. You've got the normal estate agents, Helen.
Yes, I know, there's loads of them. There's probably one here that I was supposed to be going with, but I'm not now.
I almost think it's like, you know, one bar, one estate agent, one bar, one estate agent, you know.
It's getting much that way now.
Yeah.
Because there's good money to be made with the estate agency with the fees they charge.
Well, when they charge 5%, that's a lot of money, isn't it?
A lot of money, yeah.
And the other thing they've got a lot of is pharmacies. So
That's
there's,
always a good thing.
yeah,
Really.
especially close to the beach, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, we're coming up now to 2 or 3 bars on my left, and as I say, they are everywhere. This is quite a strange place, Cala Finestrat, because it actually is controlled by 3 different councils. It's controlled by Benidorm, Villajoyosa, and Finestrat. So it's 3 different councils that actually control it, which is quite strange. And I can't think of anywhere else around here.
I think that's why it's taken so long to get it updated, because they've been arguing
Yeah, who's going to pay? I expect.
with each other.
Yeah, but it's very pretty down here,
Yeah.
and you know, the bay is lovely. And I'm not sure if it's a man-made one or it's a natural. It wouldn't surprise me if it was man-made.
It certainly looks totally different now after the rain's been.
Yeah.
The flooding, it was really badly flooded.
Yeah. You got places like here. You've got Alley Hop, which is
There's Alley Hop, I would think, in every single town apart from where you live, Barry.
yeah. Well, that's my village is tiny,
Yeah.
but I think that I think all beach areas, Alley Hop is there. You know, without a doubt. And here we go. We got the estate agents. We got the bars next to it. So it's typical of what we've already said. You know. So,
Ice cream,
but considering it's so early in the morning, there's a lot of people here.
isn't it?
Yeah, very busy.
Look, actually, when I saw the amount of cars at the park.
Yeah, I thought that car park would be empty.
Yeah.
But you got these sort of shops, you know, with all your beach stuff, bikinis and balls and rubber rings, etc., etc.
Suntan lotion.
Yep.
It's car parked in our way, I think.
And some of these places are still opening up. They're not open yet. But yeah, it's quite breezy this morning because we were thinking about flying the drone, but we'll have to see what happens.
Take you up to the area and see what it's like.
Yeah, we can check. We can check this.
Especially around this corner.
It is. It's quite windy on this corner.
Yeah.
You know, it's not good for the drone, that's for sure. But the beach is lovely here.
Yeah, it is a lovely beach.
I've been on this beach a couple of times, but not that many times. But it is nice.
So I have noticed that I think they're trying to stop people from putting their chairs and that right up to the beach.
Yeah, well you can see here that they're not. They're quite a way back, aren't they?
Yeah, load of tide is in at the moment.
Yeah.
First time I've actually come here with the tide in.
Yeah, there's loads of people here though.
No.
I mean, you know, because it's not school holidays anymore. It's it's sort of old people now, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, yeah, like us. You know, they're either live here or having a late holiday. You know, but the sun is strong. It's right in my eyes, right in the camera as well. So we might not get a particularly good picture.
You're all right.
We might have to, when we come back, video it coming back and see if the picture's any better. But it really is quite warm.
Well, this bar, this one here, we've just passed, where I'm going for a meal next Wednesday. With
Which one?
this people.
Oh, right. Okay.
But they have to, if they're having paella, they have to pre-order it.
Right.
Everything else is like menu of the day. Just the paella you have to order. Been there once before with them.
And who's this you're coming with?
Huh?
Who is this you're coming with?
Sarah, Ivan,
Oh, right.
and Ivan's mum.
Okay. So
I'm guessing Ivan's
it's a
mum.
family affair.
Yeah. It's a bit narrow, that gap.
You've got a very tall buildings here as well.
Well,
Go right up there, look.
yeah, I mean, more frontline are smaller, aren't they?
Yeah.
Which a lot of the beach towns do put a stipulation in that they can only have so many floors.
It was quite nice out of the sun.
Yeah.
That's very warm, that sun.
Yeah, this is where I thought for the drive.
Yeah, it's not quite windy though, isn't it?